We are not merely preparing for the questions but for the examination, and the examination is a sum of questions plus fear, anxiety and lack of peace in mind. So other than subject knowledge, we should also know how to get over the latter ones. Namaste everyone, this is Abhinandan Patidar, first year MBBS student at MGMMC Indore, and in this video I would be sharing with you guys what I did 2 days before the NEET examination. So basically examination is academic part plus stress, anxiety, fear, to name a few of all the psychological trauma that we face. And it's not a baseless stuff that I am talking about. Our teachers at the preparatory phase narrated the stories of those students who did exceptionally well during their preparatory phase but even failed in a NEET examination just because they could not bear the pressure of examination hall. So it's evident from what I said that along with the academic part, mind management or calmness in mind is a most important thing. If not 100% in the examination, calmness is the factor which will at least enable you to perform 100% of your preparation. So what I did 2 days before the examination was done keeping the earlier 2 steps in mind. Now the third step is that I didn't revise the formula. And the simple reason according to me was that no revision but peace in mind, then the test gone good, and continuous revision but lack of peace in mind that led to downfall. And basically this was my conclusion from what I experienced after giving the full syllabus mock test. And frankly speaking, we cannot revise each and everything in 2 days. So instead of revising the whole syllabus, we should just give our brain some peace. The fourth step is that I forgot that I was having examination after 2 days. The more you think of it, the more it gets into your brain, and then you start remembering things. For example, Fabacy family का examples क्या है, Fabacy family की trick क्या है, then you don't get that, then you open the book, something other catches your eye or some other thing catches your eye, then it goes on in the same way and never stops. So I was aware of this, so I tried to avoid any thought regarding the examination, and to accompany this thing I just got involved in each and every task. I just got completely involved in every task that I was doing except for the academics or except for the thought of examination. Now one more problem is that we are very prone to these thoughts of fear on the very day of examination or on the day of examination. So to avoid them, I used to sing song all the way to the examination hall, and I used to think of any comedy scenes, any joke. I used to crack jokes before going while I was approaching the exam hall. So on the very day of examination, NEET examination, I did the same. So this enabled me to avoid any thought of examination. So this was all about the fourth step. So the fifth step is that pray the Almighty, a sense of belief in someone superior in some way or the other boosts our confidence and also neutralizes all sorts of psychological barriers that we discussed of earlier. So here I want to present my case of wishing. So I wished for around 650 marks, that too on the very day of examination, because I expected a rank of under 1000 for that score, and of his generosity he blessed me with 653 marks, but again my rank fell to 3222, a little far from the expectation. So I just want you guys to be aware of the fact that be precise with your wish and ask everything in terms of rank, not in terms of marks. So let's just summarize whatever we have talked about. So we talked that we are not merely preparing for the questions but for the examination, and therefore peace in mind is a most important thing, calmness in mind is a most important thing. Now then we further talked about the ways with which we can retain that peace in mind. So they were like avoiding any thought regarding the examination, prayers, etc. So this was all what I had to discuss, and if you find anything useful from this stuff, then please hit the like button and please comment for any of your feedback. And at last, best of luck for your examination. Thank you. Dhanyavad.